welcome to the channel. Sunday morning, out pretty early this morning. It's about 7 o'clock and we're up in the northeast corner of the moat. A friend of mine, Jaco, sent me some pictures last night and I got them this morning around the klong up here, and apparently they're doing some renovations to it, make it look real nice. And we've walked the north side of it, around it, but never walked along the klong, so that's what we're going to do this morning. And we are out in front of Wichayanon, and I'll kind of turn around so you can see where we're at. My pronunciation is not always correct, so I'll show you the sign, but this is where we're going to start out from, and we're going to walk along the klong out here. This is a really pretty temple. It's real peaceful early in the morning. It's nice to get out early and get out before it gets too hot. But anyway, we're going to walk across here and try not to get run over going across the street, and walk along the klong, and we may come back and walk the other side too. Some guys out there doing their early morning painting. We'll go down here and take a little walk. It's really nice and cool out right now. And then I think we'll come back and we'll walk down this side. But we'll start here right now. Wow, look at how that tree's just grown right down in the water. Almost into the water. Pretty cool. I'm glad to see they're doing that, starting to fix it up, these little walkways along the klong here, because it's really nice. Kind of nostalgic a little bit, you know, kind of bring you back into the old times. But anyway, on a COVID situation here is we got a reprieve last night, and they put us into the orange zone, took us out of the dark red, skipped the red zone, and put us into the orange. So as of Monday, the schools can open back up, the restaurants can start serving food again, so we're in pretty good shape. Wow, that's pretty neat. Because I was getting awful tired of eating out of plastic bags, and you know, I'd go out in the morning and get my breakfast and go over and sit at the temple in the hot sun and eat, and it gets old after a while. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday they had 21 new cases here in Chiang Mai, but they're all kind of localized. Wow, that's really cool. Street art here just amazes me every time I see it. Yeah, they've really fixed this place up nice. And I will put the GPS location on here so you'll be able to come down and take a little walk down here if you want to. Look at the detail on this. This is just amazing. We may cross over and just walk down the other side. Really beautiful. I'm glad to see that they're starting to do this. But short of that, everything's about the same old, same old. they're starting to plan now to break out the vaccine and get people vaccinated. They're supposed to start that next month. And as far as I know, us as foreigners will be included on it. So that'll be good. I think we might take this bridge and just walk back the other side, because there's really not much up there. Yeah, let's do that. We don't have to walk back the same road. Pretty cool. Looks like this is just for show. Yep. Huh. Wow. Well, we'll walk down the other side now. You can kind of get a better look at it from here. It would be nice if they did this all the way down towards the Ping River. There's some parts of it you can't walk, but most of it I believe you can. You can see right there, there's the northeast corner of the moat. Yeah, we'll go up these steps here and walk down the other side. That's pretty much your sewer runoff from the city, though. I wouldn't want to swim in that water for anything, or eat anything that came out of it. It's nice to get out early in the morning, because usually by 12 o'clock it gets so hot it's just really uncomfortable. And then by 3 o'clock you want to be sitting under the air conditioning. You don't want to be out in the sun. That is so cool. I hope they do that all the way down the Klong. Be a nice little walking area. But we're going to cross over, and I'm going to go down the other side too. Guy riding his motorcycle. People living here. And this here used to be a club, if I'm not mistaken. Whoa, dog behind me. That's okay, buddy. Swaddy cop. Swaddy cop. Ooh. You can look right down in there. Yeah, we'll walk across to the other side too. Swai. This may be the next Talat Noi of Chiang Mai. Yeah, we'll walk across the street and go on the other side too. We've got plenty of battery left and plenty of space on the card. Just want to get my butt run over. Now let's figure out which side we want to walk down. I think we'll walk down the left side. That way you'll get a better look at the houses along the other side of the klong. I will I'll put the video that I did on the outside around the streets. I'll put that video at the end of this video so you can watch that one too, because I did walk around the outside. That's pretty cool. You can see the temple in the background there. These are all apartments. Haven't seen any monitor lizards yet, but I know they're here. Those things are wicked looking. We'll see how far we can walk here. This may be the end of it right here. Kind of looks like it. It looks like there's a area over that way too. Huh. Oh, I know how to get to there. You have to go up to the other bridge. All right, we'll walk back out of here. I'm going to shut this thing off for now and reposition the motorcycle, and I think I can find the rest of the walkway here. Yeah, we're back up on the road now. We'll take a quick walk through this temple take a little look at it, those who haven't seen it. City's starting to come to life now. People are moving around, getting ready to go to work or go wherever it is they're going to go this morning. Yeah, we've walked that before. Yeah, this is a real pretty temple. There's a map, and I'll put this on here in case you all want to look at it. Wow, this temple's been here since 1519. So before that, here had been a standing fig tree, which was considered a conveyor of good fortune for the city. The monastery was renovated in 1837 in the time of the King Thuong of Chiang Mai and is now popularly known as Wat An Ta Ko. Some interesting stuff. Oh, here comes the temple dogs. Oh, that's cool, dog. Tell the dog to be quiet. Okay, buddy. Yeah, you're wagging your tail, thank God. Well, let's jump on the bike and let's see if I can find another entrance to the klong there. If I can, I'll come back on. If not, I'll just end it right here. And I hope you enjoyed this little walk. It's kind of interesting, and I want to thank Jaco for turning me on to it. And if you all want to, check out his channel as well. It's called Chiang Mai Thai Video, and I'll put a link in the description to it. He's pretty funny. He's got a different way of looking at things and explaining things that kind of make you laugh a little bit, and just kind of fun. But anyway, we'll see you later. Bye.